How's it going today at Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair? Today we're working on a 2017 Toyota Camry. Vehicle has a no start condition. Unfortunately, the battery was wrong, and it was a negative terminal over here and a positive terminal over here, and I'm sure you can see where this is going. And unfortunately, they put it in briefly and something popped. So we had a diagnosis to do, and what we found was with this positive wire right here, that one that leads right here, it goes all the way down, follows through there. I'm gonna have to go grab that. And it leads to right through here on the bottom of the fuse box. And there's an open in that wire somewhere. And we're able to verify that using resistance off of the multimeter. But also we are able to jump from this top post right here to the top post of the positive terminal and able to start the battery, or start the vehicle as well. So that should take care of that, replacing that wire. I believe we're gonna have to get the wire because the pins in the back of the fuse box are special, and I want to make sure that it's held in properly. Going around the vehicle, tires we see are in good condition all the way around. The brakes are in good condition as well. The only things that I really want to mention is we do see that the air filter is a little dirty if the cabin filter hasn't been replaced. Maybe that's something that you want to do in the near future as well. And then if we go underneath, let's see if we can see this. We can see there's an oil leak coming right there between the engine and the bell housing, so that may need some further investigation to look at, see what's going on with that. Also, however bad its severity is. But other than that, vehicle looks like it is in pretty good condition. Thanks for joining us. This is Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair.